Okay, celebrity track kwe mkutu gwoli Alan Cruz, Mr. Handsome, and of course gena maaso belengo subscribinga ogende maaso n'okumanya abatutumufu bo kiki baliko, what are they up to, and of course na kiki bababala ekiddako omwaka guli mukugwako 2019 ali mukugwako tugenda mu 2020. Nina omukyala alina height awunya bulungi alabika bulungi bw'omusanga I believe many of you naddala abaana abali mu secondary mumutunulira nnyo ne mugamba oh my god Nina you're always smart. Akubye ennyimba guno omwaka sigamba nti ali bubi, ennyimba zaazikubye abaddewo on market. Ekitiibwa kyonna kyonna tukiddiza Mukama okubanga abadde w'amaanyi n'ebbanga lyonna bw'omutuukako perfume gyawunya gwamanye ebika perfume awunya ekika kya perfume gye bayita black opium. Black opium ya kyekika kya perfume gyawunya ewunya bulungi nnyo ewunya omanyi waliwo ziri senze twawuliranga eyo mu late 86 ya ezo perfume ezaali ng'ez'amaanyi so ziko tugibalageko yaleka tugibalageko bwefaanana mulyoke mutegeere nti bw'oba olina okukolamu oba olina okukoleramu ddala akasente wane Uganda bw'oginoonya kizibu ogiraba nze naginoonya n'embula black opium. Oh my god kale tujja byogerako ebyo gitwala nga tuvudde wano otherwise interview yaffe y'olunaku olwaleero proudly sponsored by Nina Rose. She's beautiful. Nina owulira otya okuba nga oli mukyala mulungi?
How are you, Alan? I'm so happy to sandike n'ekyo kubeera ku celebrity track eky'obulungi tunakiddako olulala.
Tetuyinza kivaako tutyo kubanga oli mukyala mulungi ebyaddala.
To me obulungi it's when I have myself together and I'm moving. Mpulira bulungi nnyo right now ndi ku level eri very happy nkyebaliza Katonda. So to me that's beauty. When beauty is when a woman has everything together. Not because you have to be successful. I'm not yet there. Dream yange tenabatuukayo but I'm so grateful wano wendi siwabi.
Okozesa ki okuba ng'onyirira era ani akussaamu ssente ng'omukyala?
By bawagizi bange nze I entirely survive on music. Sina nze musajja nteeka mu ssente, sina management eteeka mu ssente. Right now ndi independent artist.
Is it because toyagala basajja? Is it because balumya nnyo? Is it because bakola ebintu by'otayagala? Why?
Not because of that. I think it's because I'm still focusing on what is more important now, and I feel like it's my career.
Wow. Who does your makeup?
I did my makeup. I dressed myself up. When you're in this industry, there is a way ebintu ebimu oba olina okubiyiga mostly for abachala olina obyeyigiriza. So I've been doing this, meeting makeup artists, fashion stylists. So now I'm in the process, so eager. Yeah, and you have to do it yourself as well, so that I inspire every lover out there that loves Nina Rose and solo kwata genia yellow, no take a kachupa ka orange group. Sometimes you need to connect with your friend.
She's dressed in Balenciaga. Wano wagulu mu yellow ali mu Balenciaga. Gwamanyi labels kati kusaawa zino wetuli. Yes, yeriko. Tuli ne fashionista w'amaanyi ennyo. Ani akushoppingira engoye ezo?
I do it myself. Online, everywhere, ku street. I love fashion. Njagala nnyo engoye. Nze so kwambala ne saati ne ntambula ne nfuluma. One thing I can say maybe that makes me different from everyone out there is the confidence. And I want to support every young girl out there, regardless of how expensive clothes you wear. Please add some attitude on it and confidence. It brings out the beauty.
The last time we met twali ku birthday yo twatambula ekiro kiramba celebrating Nina Rose ng'akuze. Apozi watugamba olina emyaka emeka?
24 years. I was making 24 years.
So nno oli 24?
Yeah. Ndi mukazi mukulu kikyo tulegeeza.
Toli mukulu awo.
Ndi mukulu ssebo. Omuntu ng'omuwala yenna bw'oba oyiseza emyaka 2 oba okuze. Oba olina okwebumbabumba ng'ozinodda mu kiti ky'abakyala kati mwenzira.
So sawa yona tugenda mu kwanjula tugenda mu mikolo?
No. It is kwetegekera kikyoli na ku stopping ebintu ebimu ebitakugasa. Because at the end of the day oli mukazi oli muwala.
Wandyagadde kika kya musajja afaanana atya? Black, tall, short men,
Yeah, I'm addicted to black men. I love black men. I have a crush on black men.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why black of all colors?
It's just natural. Njagala nnyo abasajja abaddugavu. Sidatingangako musajja mweru, unfortunately.
And when it comes to height?
It's in the mattering as long as omutima gwange guba gukusiimye.
The last time we met Wangambo yaganya abasajja ab'ebitege.
Kuba nakiyimbako mba oli mu bitegete nakula bagamba abasajja abalina ebitege balimu ekyama gwe tokiwulira.
Mbadde sinnakiwulira.
Abalabi ba celebrity. Abalabi ba celebrity track bunyambe ko go down there and comment muntase abakyogera it's real.
Is it because they are
especially in the way I want abaana bali mu holiday nawe bali kulaba celebrity track tetwagala gera eyo nnyo but I want to embrace beauty n'abasajja abalina ebitege balungi.
Okay. Wow. Nina, obulamu bukuberedde butya bukyanga tuva ku birthday? Wayongerako omwaka kati okuva ku mwaka gwe wayongerako obulamu buli butya?
Buli quite nzira we nali negomba bulijjo kubeera and that is in the happiest place of my life because before my birthday I was going through a lot with my record label. A lot was not moving. I'm kind of stressed. I think my fans at a point saw it and I owe them this, coming out and say, everything can go wrong at a point. But then again, I'm happy right now from my birthday till today. I've been with people who have told me you can do this on your own and I'm doing it. I'm so happy you have my freedom back. It's a whole thing like ninge yakatandika atebuto ngajja natandikira ala no manyiyo.
I've been there. I was there nga bakujira bakutulaga nga banamawulire ku Boomback Records era wembadde nzijaawo nga you were so happy. Yeah, being signed. Of course, hustle ya music nga wewanirira ng'omuntu si nyangu, and I saw that day you were happy, and of course it came to a time nga you guys are parting ways, So what happened really?
There is nothing really that I would not want to share with my fans of Ambu Chamber Kweka. All I know, all I can say now is that I reached a point and my career was not respected by my record label, and that is the most important thing that I treasure. You fuck around with my career, I fuck around with you. I don't sit, I'm not silly, never zakatunda satu ka time name becoming comfortable. Because to me, Boomback, it wasn't about them paying me. They weren't paying me. It wasn't about me driving an expensive car. It wasn't about me wearing expensive clothes. I was doing everything myself. I wake up, I plan my interviews, still the same way. So I was okay doing the same things I used to do. But if it was balancing on this side and I see also the support, is moving, I could say yeah. But I reached a point and I couldn't just keep quiet because at the end of the day, there was a lot. So many people used to think I was sleeping with my manager. So many people, those things hurt. Bodam reality like this is supposed to be done. Because the way nengabo kerekandeka abantu balowooze kye balowooza ate kyengumidde kuba kyen sacrificing nga kiri mu kujolongebwa. I can't see that. It's painful.
Many artists would love to be signed by different labels.
Don't rush. I can say it is a test of my life. I've never signed before. I think Alan, you've said that was my first record label I signed with. But I think it's time to semwht waku kuchitone kyaffe ku career yaffe than just okutunuulira ebintu ebitagenda tuyamba. Emotoka zogivuga basa okuteekayo mu bitibwa byoyagala, but there is reality. You have, as an artist, you need to have that extra force. Tunula emabega behind this. Oh, what is there? Is my music going? Is it moving very well? Is I myself ndiku right track as before? Because since I reached a point and I noticed that myself, and no one was there to notice it. And it was me to get myself together. It was me to know that, okay, no, Tandisoku singer shows. Why? That is going to cost me. So I had to go deep. This is because I love my career, and I was true to myself from day one. I've never slept with my manager. I've never even exchanged my body for anyone. I did the right thing. I kept on planning my interviews. I kept on going for my shows, I never asked them kubateka pressure for my food. It was only because of my project.
In terms of booking, let's talk in terms of booking. Bayimbi banji bali under certain labels. In terms of your booking, was it hard to get Nina Rose? I
got an experience, so many experiences actually. One, while we were promoting, actually my first time to appear on the TV. It was through the Boomback. But Gayaja and Bunaba was said never more receipt, you know. It was confusing and I never got to know it. Omanya na amawulire ogekangira ku TV. It was hurtful, man. I've worked so much for this thing. You can't expect me to be okay with that, Alan. If you really know that I love music and there is nothing to brag about, there's nothing to hide out, you know. If I had a personal relationship with my manager, I'd be like, okay, swala swala. Ndiwa amazima, I'm free to speak out and let my fans know that I love my career and I can do anything for my career.
Rumors have it, Nina Rose, since you joined Boombak Records, obadde weesasulira ennyimba zo zonna ng'oweesasulira ba writers, weesasulira videos, but at last nomaliza nga otaddeko Boombak Records. So
sijja kulimba, waliwo respect erina okuweebwa, because at the end of the day I had a contract with them. Basasulanga kale nga bonagamba nti zigaba basasudde project, but they couldn't care oyambadde otya ng'otoba okyegera ennyimba ezimu. And at the end of the day, I had to do it because at the end of the day, you know, contract nabo. Naye tekigenda kuddamu kubaawo if they don't take any extra step. Ofunirawa, of course, it was paid by them. But then it was delayed for like 2 weeks. Nga project area, ng'etudde nga kinnuma. You know, till I experienced so much, a lot was coming within, nengamba, you know what, mwana. Nina which 2 cent, katoina nento, wetaina na kutia. It was all missing a show your Spark TV, show your media celebrity track, let me say. That is, to me, omuntu ata respecting a media mutya. Nange netya polo, nenga ni no money. It's a high time, you need to get your shit together and get going.
So, ngatuumba eyogundia. Are you officially now out of Boombak? You're doing your stuff as Nina Rose?
I started from the day I released Ofunidawa. I stood up and I released it myself. I paid for my promotion. I'm pushing it myself with the help of my fans and every media houses out there. Celebrity track, of course, here you are to meet me and talk about it. And I'm so grateful.
Around saying, every time we find Nina Rose out, womulengera from a distance, abeera ne biniganta. And many speculations zivuddeyo nga bulagamba, Nina, I think, bali in love with biniganta. Kitali badde kibi, but I think it's a perfect couple. Yalikoledde abavubuka bangi nnyo. Nina, mukikole kiggwe.
I know. Twandiyagadde ekikola naye si ekintu ekikoleka bwe kityo. At the end of the day, we are all real artists. Yeah. There is a reason why tetukikolanga. But when the time is there, it will happen.
Are you two guys in love?
No, we're not.
Okay. Are you guys best friends?
We're friends. Yeah, I respect him so much because our linkings and young connecting and your industry and Nyooo. All I need is said that is Bush. And I forever respect that because kizibu nnyo mu industry yaffe eno okufuna eyo link muganda wange ngeri real. I don't pay you for money to come and get interviews for me. So ekintu kyoyinza okuddiza omuntu ng'oyo kumurespectinga always.
How many songs have you released 2019?
I don't know. There's so many collaborations. I've released a collabo with Agent, Hanson Baliruno, Dream Boy, Ofunidawa. There are so many.
Do you write your own songs?
I do go with the writer in studio. The writer writes my own idea. Ofunidawa, it was my own idea. I was about stopping cyberbullying, stopping domestic violence, speaking out for young girls that go through sexual harassments, speaking out for prostitutes that get harassed. Those people mnainabo they get harassed nenga tetumanyi. Malayo muyasanga ko ku street nangamba Nina. Olumu tukana nga toyina kyakola ng'olina kubwa. Gaya kutute muloja kwadde emitwalo 2. Bwa egamba mutalina condom ogenda kola ki? Antayine munda tojumu.
Okay, that's why it takes us, yeah?
Yeah, it was a bad experience actually. Sorry to laugh through this, but it was one of the things that inspired me. I saw how Martha Kay was tortured, and so many artists that are being tortured. Even me myself, I'm being cyberbullied all the time because of all time when I took and losing annual weight, and people started bullying me. Katono, I see people bullying Winnie Noaji, Mbumnene. That needs to stop. I'm here for the ladies.
Waliwo ne yagambye waliwo post yabadde tambula ku social media about your size. First of all, nga tesinnakubuulira post eyo. Kikuluma okubanga abantu bagamba nekanina nga katono nnyo. Kikuluma.
Ndi mutono nnyo.
Nze ndi free cause nange ndi mutono. Okitegeera nze
Sola kunnuma. Actually, the best way that every young girl out there you can overcome being bullied It's loving yourself even more because you're gaining any weight. Yeah, it's loving yourself more because no one has a right. Kabene mama kabene tata okugamba nti faanana bw'oti. It is a self right to be who you are.
Aite we tokwata nk'okkuba ogamba nti kaŋŋende mu ddwaliro oba nfunira eddagala erikola bwe liti.
Sibimanyi nabimanya nze ndya kitokera nyeebwa. It's just that while what time when I took a day losing a weight, yes, because I was overworking myself. I was sacrificing it for my fans. I was doing it because I was being paid to perform. But that doesn't make me that I'm not beautiful, yo. I was beautiful because I was working, and working is the best thing you can do for yourself.
Kati awo wenzijira ku post ya Facebook, someone posted something and was saying, Nina Rose come for your daughter. Nga bagamba Joey Landa.
Okay.
Nga bagamba.
Talk about that.
Someone was saying, Nina Rose, wasala akaana mu kyalo n'otatugamba. Akaana nkakufaanana. Akaana nga.
Mama, I love the fact that I built the legacy on. I see girls coming out, being bold and beautiful, comfortable in, having short hair. It's a beautiful thing. But I believe Joland is not Nina Rose, and she can never be Nina Rose. She is who she is, and I think we need to support her. Yeah.
Okay. So Nina, obulamu obulaba otya? And what do you know about people?
Don't trust people. In this our industry, it is quite challenging. Obulamu buli, it's very funny. You won't stop yourself from trusting people because you need people. And you won't trust everyone. That's the most challenging part. So you need to know to balance who to trust or how much you need to trust people. Because at the end of the day, you need to let go, at least trust. We get heartbroken, yes, but at the end of the day, we need people. And the only way we have to have people is trusting them, trusting their vibes, trusting their loyalty,
Nina, are you in any relationship?
Apparently, no. I'm not going to speak about that.
Wakoma ddi okubeera mu relationship?
It's been a long time. But I'm happy now.
Kiki ekisinga okuluma ku basajja? Akaze akasinga okuluma ku basajja?
Abakozesa abakazi. Yeah. Loving me for something. Ekisinga okunuma ku basajja ku butawa kitiibwa abakazi. Abasajja abasinga bamanyi nti lwakuba ndi mukazi siri entitled to so much. And nze nkivoola ne bwekuba ku Rwanda ne woba minisita nti afazaali ntunda ennyaanya naye nga tonzigyeko kitiibwa kyange nti ndi mukyala. I deserve a right to do what I have to do.
Okay. You love kids?
So much.
What?
I love pets as well.
Dogs?
Cats?
Dogs, cats?
No, I don't love dogs. I love cats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Tulina Nina Rose ku Celebrity Track. I believe many of the youth abajja mu VAC episode ngi bakoledde nti ayinza okubeera busy wano mu Christmas season, ayinza obutaba mwangu akukwata naye ogumirako ku eno interview n'omutunuulirako ku eno wabadde ova Turkey.
Nade in Turkey last
Is this
week.
your first tour?
In Turkey? Yeah. But last weekend I was in Juba. Nakoma Wednesday. I'm flying out on Friday morning. Ningende Juba nenchikubya nakomyeyo ko Sajjo.
You love traveling?
So much. One of my hobbies. Really? Traveling is the way you can, first of all, it's a stress killer for me. When I'm very stressed so much, because I get to experience so many things, meet different people, being in a different environment. By the way, those things are really important. Nali mbizala wa ngandaba racha bazungu bagenda Nyooo ku holidays bichi. They're doing something for themselves. And personally you need it because stress gwe tulimu wa yiri bava wano dda wali oketagamu just in a while.
Bogenda masomero, I believe I've seen you in many schools around Kampala. Olowooza lwaki abaana b'amasomero bakwagala nnyo?
Honestly, I trust music. I trust my music. Sigenda gamba nti lwandabika yange kubanga kwe music kwendya. I think that's one of the things. First thing is God. Then ne fashion yange.
Wow. You also know you're a fashionista.
I love fashion. I go hard for this. I need to appreciate myself because fashion is a language. Every artist needs it.
Ani asinga okutegeera bw'oyingira salon ng'ogenda kukola akaviiri k'abantu ke balaba? Baba ki asinga okutegeera era okakolera wa?
Banji, nyina ba actually mu bulamu bwange nyina batono nnyo. I'm very loyal. I keep my circle small. Nina baba babiri yali ankola yali Ricky then getting up busy when I shifted because I signed with Bombak so then stepping away because really nali mbera Munyonyo so it was easy for me to connect with Ricky but when I did this side of connecting and Chris while guy yali awo ku cement ku the cube asala bulungi nnyo atintinga bulungi enviri zange yeah
kyekikunyiiza
bingi nvaako nnyo obutaba w'amazima ojja kumbuza amazima geki most of the times abantu batulaba leko nina Rose oyo w'amazima munne fe abayinza okubeera ate nga fe abasinga amazima cause omuntu nyinza okugamba omuyaye yasinga amazima cause omuyaye abeera straight omuyaye siga muyaye mubbi atta akola ebyo ngamba omuyaye ali ayayiribyeko I experience sinzeko life otuuka time nga you only want true things around you because you're living a true world if you found yourself yeah because there's no time for faking it there's no time for what so nze omuntu okunnimba kimpisa bubi kiyinzijjako nnyo.
Is this your best year in your career?
My hardest year, my most challenging year, but my best year because I'm glad I've experienced so much. I'm glad I'm who I am now today. It's not easy.
What's your problem with social media? Social media kiki yali kiki oginako buzibu ki?
Kyekyo kyokka social media no stopping us cyberbullying. Mutuleke naffe tweyagale tupostinge kye twagala nze sivangayo nenvuma omuntu. Go on my page, Alan. I never diss anyone. I never disrespect anyone. I feel like I deserve that.
You love your mom?
So much.
You love your dad?
Yeah.
Ani asinga okuba kyaliwo mama on taatawo?
My dad, my stepdad.
Why?
Stepdad wange yankuziza yansomeseza wano bamuyita Haji Jita Sulaiman. Anjigiriza eddiini. Atanjagala nnyo nti nno I was born again mu baana bambala. So ekyo kya muwendo nnyo.
Kati taatawo mwennyini ye akola ki?
Simanyi waali.
Wali etaaze omulabako?
Taata wange taliwo.
Like yafa?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, celebrity track. How now you know bimanyira. Otherwise for now, njagala Nina, what's your best song?
Well, I love all my songs, but right now I'm falling in love with Ofunirawa because I'm all about speaking for the girls, for the people that are afraid to speak up, and my focus of the career changed because of that song. Natuka time nenda banga, it's not about kusanyisa busanyisa bana. It was quite challenging okutola oluyimba olwo. Ngamanyi bana Uganda tebagala nnyo banyumiza. Nga naye kati nkoze ntya. But then again, when I looked at that side, what moved me to do this song, I'm like, kale wendule kanja kweli amolu. Why did I do it at the end of the day? So I really want to appreciate all my fans that are loving this song so much. Spread the love. Mubabuuze bafunira wa mbuuza bolumya nze nono nolumya nonoli mbye tukola mu nkukutu watunyigamu nobiteeka mu lwatu afunira wa abavuma abakazi ku social media abo bantu abakola fake accounts ne muvuma omuntu ne mumutocharinga. Those things really matter. They change people's lives. You need to be careful kebali kikukola empungu teri abirya
Oluganda olumanyidde ddala bw'otyo?
Nakola Oluganda.
Empungu tekola ki? Nina alina olugero lwakozesebwa olw'Oluganda. Empungu terya bire. What's empungu in English?
It's the eagle, I think. Is it the eagle?
Omwana ono.
Ntera okwaba wala bannange temuteganga mutego gumu.
Temukola ki?
Tebateganga mutego gumu. Kyetegeeza tokola kintu kimu kyokka. Nina lwezigolaba nange njiriba. Nyina byenkolakola ye ebbali so tebatega mutego gumu nti koonaalira. Otegayo emirala nosobola okulya ebisabo.
Muyimbi ki asinga okuba kyaliwo nga kyaliwo nnyo?
Bine.
Nga it's just
Lydia Jasmine.
Nga it's just a phone call, eh?
I think I connect with every artist.
No. Ogamba nti essaawa zino Alan ono ye kyali wange ne bwe mukubira essaawa
Kabako, Bini, Lydia Jasmine. Those three artists, I've known them for so long.
Can we make something?
Sure. Sure.
Ogenda kukwata essimu eyo. Get your phone. Divorce kwate jangu leta kamera eyo. Sembera ano kumpi. Waliwo kye njagala tukole wano tulabe. Okay. Jangu closer. Tugenda kusobola kukwata video call eno. Gwe jangu kujjako essimu ku stand ojje wano. We're going to give a surprise. Tasobola. No. Ogenda mukola video call. Nina. Njagala kulaba best friend wo.
Regardless of me saying these artists are my friends, I respect who they are. I believe they have, what they do with their life. I don't say
njagala tuweeyo omuntu surprise.
Gwa mukubire.
Anzayinza okulowooza ndi muzannyo. Njagala tukubeereyo omuntu.
Unless someone.
What?
I was about to say something stupid, but then let's leave it. Omuntu gwe matengenda okubira simu yindi.
Ani?
Ofaayo ki? Katukomewo ku celebrity track.
Just sibuuza ku kyali wange wano.
Kiriwo.
Omulabye Nina. Goddaawo. Ffe tuzze kubuuzaako.
Kiriwo blood. Bannange ngenda kusalako. Oyo ajja kundeeta oyo. Oyo kasana kyali mutende munzijaawo.
Okay, kasa. Kamala. Awo wennyini lwe tufunye grenade abaddeko online. Abasigadde bonna muna tebabaddeko. Anyway, your last words, Nina.
I want to appreciate everyone that has been there for me since day one till today. I want to appreciate my fans that keep the love going on and, keep showing me love. The promoters that bring me shows, take me here and there, that have given me a good treat over there. I want to thank the promoter Etaki Banange, mwatwagadde nnyo Suna, Biggs Entertainment. Kitalo nnyo munange ky'omuntu gwe twafiiriddwako. Waliwo omuntu eyafudde, you're getting a heart ku show yaffe gye twalina last weekend ne Kabako, era nafuna internal bleeding, era he passed away yesterday. Kitalo nnyo, may his soul rest in peace. Era tusasidde nnyo ab'enganda n'emikwano. Mukama abagumye. The song is available on YouTube. The song is available on YouTube. Subscribe, Nina Rose Official. Follow me on Instagram, Nina Rose Official. Follow Alan Cruz, Official Alan Cruz. And then you let me know. Make sure you don't miss this on Celebrity Track.
Celebrity Track. Subscribe.